Carl, Track 13 News. I'm at my local police department, and I'm going to go ask permission to operate on the road that I've been doing speed runs for about 3 years that I got shut down on the other day. So I'm going to go talk to hopefully a captain or sergeant and see if I can plead my little case and see if they'll allow me to run maybe limited on Sundays.
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. So basically you can no parking here.
Okay.
I mean, you're right next to the no trespassing sign.
Okay.
And you cannot be racing those on public streets.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. I've had a bunch of you guys come and say it was fine, so...
Oh, okay. No, yeah, not public streets. Sorry.
Okay.
You know the Rccar Park?
Yeah.
There's a track for radio control.
Yeah, it's not quite long enough, but yeah, they just told me as long as I wasn't impeding traffic. But if you're telling me I can't, then
yeah,
that's,
no, you can't. Sorry.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess you stopped by the right moment because I hadn't ran yet. So.
All right. Sorry.
Thanks.
Yep.
Well, that was lame.
All right, so just talked to Sergeant Taylor at the police department in my local community, and so I explained the situation where, you know, I put a orange cone at each end of the street, make sure that nobody's on the road, cars or pedestrians or anything, and run my car. You know, I was completely honest about it. You know, he asked me how fast it went. I said about 135 miles an hour is my top speed. You know, I showed him the video of the interaction with the officer, and essentially, you know, he said that you know, there's the spirit of the law and the letter of the law, and you know, really that comes down to you know, officer discretion. That officer felt like that was not appropriate. He said technically, you know, you were parked on, you know, the farmland that really, you know, I mean, I guess could be construed as no trespassing. His personal opinion was, you know, he really didn't necessarily have an issue with it, but he absolutely could not, you know, just give me a blanket permission to do that. You know, he said if another officer stopped by, you know, he would you know, make his decision. If I, you know, interact with that same officer, you know, like I'll probably get, you know, a ticket or something, since the letter of the law is on, you know, his side, and I guess I'm technically not really following it. So I'm gonna look for another solution. There's a abandoned airfield actually a few miles away from where I am. I'm gonna go check that out. Carl, Track 13 News. Search for a new road.